Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Looks Nutritious. Today's video is a general and simple guidance on how you can boil eggs on different time frame. We have added salt in hot water and added 3 eggs. Total duration of eggs boiling will be 12 minutes. We will let the first egg to boil for 3 minutes. Transfer the egg to cold water and label it as 3 to represent 3 minutes. Again, set the timer for 3 minutes to let the second egg boil for 6 minutes. Time is up. Transfer the second egg and label it as 6. Now set the last timer for 6 minutes to complete 12 minutes. Transfer the egg and label it as 12. This is the final look. If you like our video, hit the subscribe button. Bye.